We all love Netflix, but sometimes it could be frustrating when your subscription expires and you don't know how to easily recharge. So, if you've been stuck or confused about how to use Google Pay for Netflix, I'm here to help you. So first, you're going to open Google Pay, the app, on your phone and make sure that it's linked to your bank account or your debit card. You don't want to get stuck in the middle of the payment, right? Next, go to Netflix payment settings and look for the option to pay using Google Pay. You might be surprised how simple it is to find. Okay, after that, you're going to choose your saved payment method. So don't forget to check your Google Pay balance to make sure that you have enough money. Now you're going to hit confirm and your Netflix account will be recharged and ready to go. You're all set to enjoy your favorite shows and your movies again. Now, it's that simple. Okay, if this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for being here while I drive and try to avoid potholes. I love you. Ciao.